Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. You need to hear this if you're a food lover. We're about to transport your taste buds straight to the Caribbean. Imagine sunshine, beaches, and the aroma of delicious spices. That's what we're creating today, a real Caribbean fiesta right on your plate. This recipe is a fantastic fusion of flavors. We've got juicy chicken, tender beef, and a marinade that's bursting with jerk spices. And to top it off, a sweet and refreshing mango salsa. This dish is all about celebrating vibrant flavors and having a good time in the kitchen. So grab your ingredients, put on some reggae music, and let's get cooking. This recipe is easy to follow, and I promise you'll have a blast making it. Get ready for a taste of the Caribbean sunshine. First things first, let's get our jerk marinade going. It's what gives our chicken and beef that amazing Caribbean kick. Grab a bowl and mix together some jerk seasoning, a splash of lime juice, a glug of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Easy peasy. Now, cut your chicken breasts and beef sirloin into bite-sized pieces. Toss them into the marinade, making sure they're nicely coated. Pop them in the fridge for at least an hour. The longer the better. This gives the flavors time to really soak in. While the meat is marinating, you can prep your skewers. If you're using wooden skewers, soak them in water for about 30 minutes. This will prevent them from burning on the grill. Now you're ready for the next step, assembling the kabobs. Take your marinated chicken and beef out of the fridge. Now comes the fun part, building the kabobs. Thread the chicken and beef onto the skewers, alternating between the two. Leave a little space between each piece so they cook evenly. Feeling adventurous? Add some extra flavor and color. Chunks of bell peppers, onions, and pineapple work a treat. Get creative and make it your own. Once your kabobs are assembled, you're ready to cook. You can grill them, bake them, or even pan fry them. Whichever method you choose, make sure the meat is cooked through and slightly charred on the outside. While the kabobs are sizzling away, let's get that mango salsa ready. Section 4. Mango Tango Whipping Up the Salsa. This mango salsa is the perfect partner for our jerk kabobs. It's fresh, fruity, and adds a lovely sweetness that balances the spicy jerk flavors. Start by dicing a ripe mango into small pieces. Next, finely chop some red onion, a red chili if you like a bit of heat, and some fresh coriander. Combine everything in a bowl, squeeze in some lime juice, and season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Give it a good stir, and that's it. You can make the salsa ahead of time and keep it chilled in the fridge. This will allow the flavors to develop even more. Now your Caribbean feast is almost ready. Let's plate it up and dig in. Section 5. Leftovers, not a chance. And there you have it, Caribbean jerk chicken and beef kabobs with mango salsa. A taste of sunshine and spice that's sure to impress. Serve your kabobs with some fluffy rice and a side of black beans for a truly authentic Caribbean experience. These kabobs are perfect for a barbecue, a casual get-together, or even a quick and easy weeknight dinner. And the best part, they're super versatile. Leftovers, if you have any, can be enjoyed cold in salads or wraps. So what are you waiting for? Get your jerk on and enjoy the taste of the Caribbean. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. See you next time on Culinary Recipe Creations.